Hey, it's Tyrone Jackson from WITradeschool.com, wealthyinvestortradeschool.com. I wanted to talk to you in this video because something really, really significant is happening. I'm always in favor of you choosing winning stocks and being very successful in the stock market, right? And we've had a shift in the market in two major companies, and I really want to point this out to you. So, the first one, we're going to talk about Apple stock. We found in the first quarter of 2016, here's a 5 year chart of Apple. You'll notice that the stock started in a very strong upward trend, and then all of a sudden it's been giving. Now, why is that? And I've been saying this for a while, and a lot of my students don't like it, but Apple is in the middle of a refresh cycle as opposed to a cycle of innovation. Okay. And sometimes we can get emotionally invested in a particular stock. And when the good times are over, or when it starts to no longer look like a shining long term investment, we still want to own that company. But I want to show you something that's really interesting. It's the significant downturn here. Now, this is a member of the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and the stock has taken a sharp downturn because a lot of institutional money is now leaving Apple stock. I'm not saying the stock is going to crash and burn, but they're going to companies where there's a lot of innovation. And where is there a lot of innovation going on right now in the stock market? It's in Facebook. Now, I want you to notice this chart, a 5 year chart, stock in a strong upward trend. Earnings are growing like wildfire, and Facebook was the first social media company to monetize mobile. Now, what does that mean if you want to own a stock that has a tendency to go higher? It means that they're making billions of dollars off of having people watch ads in their Facebook feed over their phone, click on the ads, and take a positive action. And Facebook gets paid for that. And because they're the leader in mobile monetization ads, say that 3 times fast, their revenue is rising. Okay. And what we discovered in the first quarter of January, the first quarter of 2016, the January, February, March quarter, Facebook made $1.6 billion. Now, that is really astounding for a social media company. They are doing very, 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 very well, which is why you get this 5 year chart that looks like this. But if we zoom in, you'll notice that this stock, in the same time that Apple stock was declining, is doing what? Slight declines, but after that earnings beat, this stock is going to go higher and higher and higher and higher. Now, at Wealthy Investor Trade School, I'm a huge fan of helping you choose stocks that have to go higher. And one of the stocks that you know that I love, 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 because there's a great story, is Disney. And I want you to pay attention to this pattern because this is a 5 year chart, but if you bought Disney stock, let's say in 2013, when I was giving it a strong recommendation at $50, your money has doubled right now because the stock's at 105. What does this mean? $10,000 invested in Disney in less than 5 years ago in the stock is now worth $20,000. $100,000 is now worth $200,000, and $500,000 is now worth what? $1 million. I am constantly showing you these patterns at WI Trade School. A lot of people think trading is a solitary thing, investing is a solitary experience. It is a team sport. And all people on Wall Street, all the major firms on Wall Street, pay for research, right? Why? Because they're always looking to people who have a little bit more experience than they do. Do me a favor, sashay on over to WI Trade School right now so I can teach you how to use a stock like Facebook for monthly income, as cover call writing, trading, why you should own stocks like Disney that have doubled in value. And again, Facebook is on that rise, and unfortunately, Apple is not. Where's the number one place for you to get that financial education and watch and get to know all my strategies? Right here at WI Trade School. Join me, join me, join me so that you can learn all of my stock picks, and most importantly, ask me questions on a weekly basis, and I'll be able to answer you in our live in our Q&A session that goes on every single week. Also, finally, here at Trade School, all of the videos inside of Trade School, guess what? You can access them 24 hours a day. Repetition is the key to success in the stock market, and I am here to help you. Join me at WI Trade School right now, and I'll see you there.